Guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. I hope you're ready to get back into it. All right, we did have some buying on Friday, so the market was up on Friday, but we still in correction territory. Okay, so we saw some buying on Friday, but still in correction territory. So we're going to go through the markets this evening, see what we've got. Okay, all righty. All right, welcome, guys. Welcome. Those of you who join us on Friday for our live trading, I want to thank you guys for coming. We had a great trading morning. We missed the US 30 a bit, right? We were right in there. Really give a few fakes on us. We turned on the 5 minute. And then after we closed out for the morning at 10 a.m., it just really took off a decent trade there. But hey, that's what we do when we trade. Okay, so next time. All right, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. All right, on the S&P, we're going to go through the markets. Okay, and we're going to focus on still selling in the markets. Right now, the futures are down. Okay. Futures are down, but we did have a big update on Friday. So the Dow was up 674 points, guys, right here. That's a big update on the Dow. Okay, and again, we'll see what happens this week if the market made a bottom. It's hard to tell right now based on 1 day of buying. Okay, so again, we'll see what happens this week. S&P was up, NASDAQ was up, and the IWM was also up on Friday. Again, on the S&P, all red candles. Okay, so we don't even have a white candle, guys. All right, so all red candles here on the S&P. Support on the S&P was right here. Near-term support was here. Support was here. We broke through that support, and we have some support here. Further, I would say support is right here. Further support is right here. Again, we don't even have new support and resistance lines. No white candles there. No green candles. So sellers can certainly come back in on the S&P. Same thing for the NASDAQ here, guys. All right. Right. Lots of selling here. That's about almost 3 weeks of selling. Okay, so we're not in the markup phase. We're not buying anymore. Okay, the Dow, same thing here. On the Dow, we might have some support. The Dow is hanging around here. All right, so the Dow. All right, we might have some support here. All right, but again, we'll keep an eye on that. Still a lot of selling. You guys can see that there. And then the rest of the IWM, same thing right here. The VIX did come down a bit, but still above 20. So the VIX closed at 21 right here. You guys can see that there. So 21 on the VIX as of Friday. Hold on here. So 21 on the VIX as of Friday. Let's see where it came from. I believe the VIX was at 26. Hold on. Oh, come on. There we go. All right. VIX made a high on Friday. Well, not on Friday, but I think Wednesday or Thursday at 30. All right, so the VIX made it all the way to 30, guys. Now trading at 21 on the VIX. So it did pull back, did retrace a bit there. Okay, all of the sectors are down. Okay, so pay attention to this. These sectors are down. Two are neutral, but look here, we went from blue to all red except for two right now. Okay, so that's a lot of selling in the indexes, and VIX is up. This is not what we want to see to be long stocks. Okay, so this is not what we want to see to be long stocks. That doesn't mean we can't get, a small rally in equities, but it's flipped, right? It's flipped from buyers to now sellers. Okay. Futures market. All right. The dollar so short right here. Right at that signal came in at 106 in our system. We came from a high, you guys remember, 109. All right, next support level is right, we'll call it $100. All right, even numbers. Markets love these even numbers here. We do have support. All right, nearer term support right here. So we'll see what the dollar index does. And right now in the futures market, the E-mini, so the Dow E-mini down 212 points, NASDAQ 155, right? S&P is down, and the Russell is also down, okay? We'll come back to the Magnificent Seven. The sectors, if you guys look here, guys, sectors are down here. Right, the big picture. All right, on the Dow on the daily here, again, the Dow is, right, if you're looking for an index with some promise right now, it is the Dow, right, came right down to that support area. Here was the previous buy signal here, previous resistance becomes support, support here, here, and here. You see your lines here, broke through that support. But again, on Friday, all right, had some buy-in, and it's holding right here. If we have an update tomorrow into Tuesday, Wednesday, we do have data coming out, some important data that's coming out this week, all right, on interest rates, all right? So if that pushes the Dow up, we can be back into this area here, all right? See some buyers come in like here and move higher. But right now, guys, we're looking for the Dow to move lower, but we'll trade it either way. Okay. All right. That's on the Dow on the daily time frame. Now, remember, it's broken every structure. It's broken its upward trend line. So every structure right now has been broken. But these markets, you guys know, right? They will do whatever they want, right? So here is your trend line here, held here, and this is where it broke. Okay, so structure has been broken. That upward trend has been broken. Okay, that's on the Dow weekly. Daily. On the Dow weekly, we do have a sell signal. This is important. Okay, we went through this last week. This is important, guys. All right. Whenever we get a sell signal on the weekly time frame, that is a big deal, okay? Look here, sell signal on the weekly. Look at sellers that came in, all right? Even here, sell signal here, we had a few weeks of selling here. So we had 1 week of selling last week on the Dow. We got a sell signal, buy signal here, sell signal here. And we are at all-time highs, okay? So we are due for some selling. This market is due for some selling, okay? All right, and we out of the buying season, all right? Out of the buying season, all right? So buy signal here, sell signal on the Dow on the weekly time frame. Monthly time frame still holding for now. The S&P on the daily time frame, same thing, guys. Broke through structure, right? Red candles here. Here is previous support, becomes resistance, right? The target right now is to get to support, next support level on the S&P all the way down here. Remember, S&P and NASDAQ in particular, those stocks will be in Bullmaster Pro. Those are going to be your large cap stocks. All right, your mega cap stocks. S&P on the weekly time frame. Pay attention to the weekly time frame. All right, I know usually it's on the daily, but we do have sell signals coming in on the weekly. Okay, last time we got a sell signal on the weekly time frame on the S&P right here. Buy signal here, sell signal. This took several years, right? So 2020, 2022. All right, on the weekly time frame now. All right. Sellers came in. That selling last almost a year. Okay. Here we are right now. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony. Here we are right now with a sell signal on the weekly time frame on the S&P. Notice here, guys, all right? All right, notice here. Now, as we move lower, right, traders will want to come in and buy the dip and push the price higher, okay? All right, just like they did here, but look what happened. Eventually, sellers took control and moved the price lower, okay? Same thing here, say here, 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 but look what? The price kept moving lower, okay? So, all right, so traders that are not aware of this, right, and they keep buying the dip, guess what? It keeps moving lower. So just be aware of that. We are early. We are very, very early. 1 week into really the sell signals on the weekly time frame. Okay, but the market's been selling off for what 3 weeks, almost a month now. All right, that's on the S&P here. So one, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right there. All right. On the monthly time frame on the S&P, we're still holding firm for now. On the NASDAQ, also broke structure on the NASDAQ here. So we are no longer, all right, we are no longer in that nice markup phase, upward trend like this. We've broken, we're now in the markdown phase, okay? Out of the distribution, markdown phase. If I brought in a sell short signal, that would certainly come in here. So we are now in the markdown phase. So we need to look for support areas rather than resistance areas right now, okay? All righty. So NASDAQ on the daily, we have further support down here. Again, we did get some buy-in on the NASDAQ right here, okay? All right, on Friday, again, sellers are in the market right now in the futures market. We'll look for further support down here. If we break through that support level this week, let's say, then we have, we'll call it further support right here, right here, right here, and then all the way down here. So it's important for the S&P to hold, okay? Buyers to come back in as it continues to move lower, right? We've got some support here. After this area, guys, no support until all the way down here, okay? All right. I think we might be about, 7-8%, probably 9% correction. Okay, that's a big deal, okay, in the market. All right, on the weekly time frame on the NASDAQ, we also have a sell signal, okay? So we also have a sell signal on the NASDAQ on the weekly time frame, okay? So we have a sell signal. Really pay attention to that, guys, okay? So we have a sell signal on the weekly time frame on the Dow, sell signal on the S&P on the weekly time frame. Again, these are big macro time frames, but they serve us well. All right, and then now on the NASDAQ, okay? All right, so previous buy signal was here, sell signal, again, several years here. Here we are. Markdown phase. Here we are. First, this area right here is this area right here. Again, we can get some bounces. Will not go in a straight line, right? Go down in a straight line. We can get some bounces like in here, right? Like in here, as it makes lower highs, lower lows here on the NASDAQ, okay? Weekly time frame, monthly still holding for now. On the Russell, the IWM has totally broke through its structure there. Here's our markup phase here, right? Trading up nicely here. Well, not nicely. We know Russell has struggled. But guess what? Sellers came in. Lots of selling here. And, all right, we got through support here. Holding right at support here. Next level of support on the Russell is right down here. And Russell has to be the weaker of the four sectors, okay? So notice we're paying attention, making lower highs, lower lows, right? We keep moving lower. Breaks to support, next support here. If that happens, then we'll look for further support down in this area right here. Russell, on the weekly time frame, we also have a sell signal just like the S&P, NASDAQ. All right, and the Dow previous sell signal was here. Here is our current sell signal. So buy signal here, sell signal. All right, weekly time frame, again, took about a few years here. 2020, 2022, 2023 to 2025. Right, red candles here, almost identical, right? So right about here, okay, red candles. So right now on the Russell, we have 3 weeks of red candles right here. Broke support. That's concerning. Okay, all right. Russell on the monthly time frame is holding. Let's bring that up. Monthly time frame holding its trend line for now. White candle. All right, but it is holding for now. Bitcoin, and you guys know Bitcoin will follow the equity markets. Okay, our previous sell signal came in on Bitcoin at 92. Buy signal was right at 70. And red candles here. Bitcoin did make a move higher to around 84,000, trading at 82,000. And Bitcoin is the leader in crypto, right? So the other cryptocurrencies will follow Bitcoin. All right, it keeps moving lower. So do not be fooled by that intraday movement or that daily movement, okay? We do have some support. Let's bring this in here. We do have some support areas right here for Bitcoin, okay? We are looking for a target. Unless, buyers come in strong, guys. Anything can happen. Otherwise, we're looking for a target of 70,000. Okay, so 70,000 is our next target down for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has to hold. If it gets to 70, it has to hold at 70, right? 70,000 here. Otherwise, we don't see any support until about 40, 50,000, okay? I remember when Bitcoin was moving higher, when was it? 40,000, was it 40,000? Yeah, 40,000 right here. All right, 40,000, 50,000. It really has to hold right here. So 40,000, we'll say 50,000 here. All right, 50,000. That's basically where we got the previous buy signal right here. Let's make this larger. All right, and then another big support at 30,000. All right, and never said it can't happen. All right, never said. Well, that can't happen. We don't know, right? All right, so again, 70,000 is the next support, then 50, then 40. We'll see what happens, and then 30 all the way down here. If we start getting green candles, now this week we'll look for on Friday when we do our live trading. We'll look to trade Bitcoin. Hopefully, we'll look to go long if we get some buying, or even on the intraday, okay? And then 30,000 here, right, for a quick counter trend trade, okay? All right, gold keeps moving higher, guys. Gold broke 3,000, so 3,000 on gold, keeps moving higher. Good price action here. All right, so your gold stocks, you can take a look at your gold stocks. Be careful. All right, we are in one, we're live trading. All right, silver is breaking out. Nice break of resistance here on silver. Silver is now at 30. All right. Good buy on silver here. Buy signal was here. All right. Right here, 23. On the weekly time frame, looks good here. Keeps moving higher. Crude oil, same. And bonds were doing really good, right? Your TLT, right, was trading really well, but the market moved up. Stocks moved up on Friday, put some pressure on bonds. Okay, so this was Thursday. Market was down on Thursday. Got a nice big green candle here, but closed with a white candle. All right, so we need for the markets come down, bonds will move higher. That's the way it works. Okay, so still holding up its buy signal there. Previous resistance becomes support there. Okay. All right, the dollar index, we see what's going on with the dollar. Lots of selling there in the dollar index. On the monthly time frame, weekly time frame here on the dollar. Also, the dollar has a sell signal on the weekly. Notice, guys, that these indexes, these markets are giving sell signals, all right, on the weekly time frame. We should have other markets giving buy signals on the weekly time frame as well. Okay. All right. So dollar is in trouble right now. Next support level, $100 mark will be important for support. It's at 103 on the dollar. Pound, yen, not much, guys. A lot of consolidation in the. Guess what? We are light. Okay. Light in the market. Current positions on the 60-minute time frame here. In Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at these trades. All right. Pound CAD, guys. Buy signal was here. The pound pairs were moving really nicely with the euro pairs, but they absolutely are reversing. All right, so pound CAD on the 60-minute buy signal was here. Red candle, sell signal. All right, broke that trend line here. We should be out, so let's remove that. Pound CAD. Pound New Zealand, same thing, right? Buy signal here. We were looking for a break of resistance here on the 60-minute time frame. Red candle, sell signal, broke our trend line. All right, look here. Okay. All the way down here. So pound New Zealand, we should be out. All right, euro pound. All right, euro pound buy signal here. All right, and we did trade these for our new live trading on Friday. I am going to enjoy. You guys have been asking for that for a while. I think I'm going to enjoy that live trading sessions on Friday. We're going to get that going, make some money on that on Fridays. All right. Resistance is right here. Buy signal holding firm this evening, right? As the market opens, holding firm right here. Looking to break through that resistance here. So euro pound, buy signal holding firm on the 60. Euro HKD, all right, same thing here. Buy signal here on the 60-minute time frame. We need this to hold overnight and hopefully break out in the morning. Don't expect a lot of movement this evening. These are euro pairs, right? So they tend to move in the euro session, okay? All right, so buy signal here, holding firm. We just want this to get near resistance here, near its buy signal, and then break out. So EUR HKD. Euro dollar, same thing here. Euro dollar. All right, so we know we're in the markup phase, right? We're not shorting. Buy signal here, right? We need price to get squeezed in this area here. Nice little triangle, and then break out, okay? Euro dollar. Euro CAD, I think Euro CAD closed, right? So Euro CAD, red candle here, we should be out, Euro CAD. Euro Swiss, All right, same thing here. Wide resistance here. All right, but that's the same goal here. We're looking for a breakout. If these fail, just close them. All right, buy signal here. Just holding. We need looking for a break. Okay, so that's Euro Swiss on the 60-minute time frames. We don't have any shorts on the 60. We do have longs on the 240. Okay. All right, pound HKD on the 240, guys. Buy signal here, holding firm. All right, so on the 240, look at pound HKD. All right, buy signal here. All right, holding firm. All green candles here. We did have a white candle, and we have resistance right here. Good price action. We can remove this. So finally, we've got some good trading on the 240 there. And the pound pairs too. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Holding firm. We need to break through. So really keep an eye on it if you guys are trading it. Pound HKD, that's your Hong Kong. Right, resistance is right there. Let's see if it can break out. Pound dollar. All right, so bring in your lines here. That's a nice reaccumulation, right? Here's your markup. Nice reaccumulation trade. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. And here we are right now. It's going back and forth. White and green candle there. You can see that right here. Right here. All right, we need to break through. See here, it's going back and forth. Back and forth here. See, right? Back and forth. White to green. We need that candle to close green and keep moving higher here. Okay. All right. So right now it's in the markup phase. Don't be too concerned with these white candles here. Okay. We don't want red candles. All right. That's pound dollar. All right. Pound CAD. So pound CAD, keep an eye on that then. All right. So pound CAD, good trade here, guys. Buy signal was here. Perfect sell signal, purple support and resistance. What a perfect trade here, right? All right, red candles, sell signal, your white arrow here, we should be out, okay? So that is concerning, okay? If we get a green candle here, break through that resistance, we get a buy signal, we'll call it. But right now, all right, pound CAD, that's a sell signal right there. So that is a concern when the other pairs are giving sell signals. All right, pound Aussie also gave a sell signal. All right, so we have two now, two of the pound pairs that are giving sell signals, taking profits. Okay, another beautiful trade. Pound Aussie buy signal was here, guys, on a break of this resistance, broke support, red candle, sell signal right here, your white arrow to get out. Great trade here, so we should be out. Pound Aussie, we should be out on the 240 here. Okay, so we need to be mindful of that. Pound New Zealand also closed. Buy signal was here. Sell signal, red candle, we should be out. Okay, so in this case, all right, really pay attention to pound HKD, pound Hong Kong, and pound dollar. Pay attention, okay, because these two might follow with sell signals. Okay, EURTRY holding for now. Buy signal here, holding. Purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. EURHKD, all right. Buy signal here, purple support and resistance, holding for now. but they're overbought, guys. Purple support and resistance, they're overbought. EUR USD, they've been running for over a month now, right? A little over a month. EUR USD, same thing. Buy signal here, purple support and resistance, all green candles. So as long as they've got green candles, we can certainly hold on. And then Euro Aussie actually closed. Okay, so right, that one closed. So Euro Aussie 240. Buy signal here, amazing trades. Hopefully you guys took advantage of these trades. Euro Aussie, buy signal here, broke support. All right, white arrow here, no red candle here. All right, so nice clean sell signal to get out on Euro Aussie. So we'll remove that. We do have one short on the 240. We'll come back to it. So we're cleaning things a bit on the long side in Monster Scalper there. Okay. On the in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. Let's take a look here. All right, let's go through these. EUR/TRY still holding a great trade here. Nice breakout trade. Buy signal was here, broke out really nice there. EUR/TRY for lots of pips there, guys. EUR/HKD, right? Buy signal was here on a break of this resistance. These are just breakout trades on the daily there. All right, buy signal right here. All right, holding firm there on the daily. All right, euro dollar buy signal here. Let's bring that down. Nice breakout. All right, euro CAD buy signal here. Got back in here after red candles right here, holding firm. EUR SGD buy signal here on a break of this resistance. They're holding firm. All righty. Euro New Zealand buy signal here. Bit of a pullback. Purple support and resistance holding for now. Pound dollar buy signal here, holding. Pound HKD buy signal here, holding here. All right. Good markdown phase on these. All right. Good V here. All right. All right. Buy signal here. First target here. SGD. All right. Buy signal here. Looking for a breakout. Pound CAD. Buy signal breaking out. Pound Aussie. Buy signal here. Called it here. Breaking out. Pound New Zealand. Buy signal here. All right. Breaking out. So Euro. Although some of the positions have closed, the alerts have closed on 60, 240, and daily, some are still holding. We do have some shorts, so just know long pound and euro, short the yen and dollar pairs. Let's take a look. We only have $1 pair on the 240. Yeah, nothing on the 60 here. Let's bring this back. So on the 240, one short. Remember, right? I said the yen pairs, the pound yen isn't doing much, guys. Okay. On the longer time frames there. So short 240, the only one we've got left is USD PLN. Sell short signal here. I think we called it somewhere in here. Holding firm for right now. You could see some buyers come in on that. All right, but the dollar does look weak. That $100 dollars at 103, that $100 support mark looks like a good target. No guarantees it will get there, but looks like a good support target. Sometimes these are like a magnet, right? They go right to it. USD HKD, I'm sorry, USD HUF, so short signal here, and these were right near their targets, all the way down here. So USD HUF looks good. Further support all the way down here. USD PLN, right, in Forex Dominator, so short signal here, very choppy, guys, but it's made its way all the way down here, okay? And USD SEK, all right? So USD SEK, so short signal right here, all the way to support all the way here. It's got good support here, all right? That doesn't mean it can't break down further, make another leg down, but we do have good support here. So if you got in, if you were lucky enough, I know we don't have a lot of Forex traders that, even if we do have monster scalper traders, you guys are not trading these like, on a regular basis. Okay, so, but we still want to follow this price action. But if you are trading it, this is a good area here, right? If you're lucky enough to hold it all the way through here, good area to just take profits there. Okay, we'll hold on to it for now. All right, Swiss yen, all right, so short here, just holding. New Zealand yen, all right, so short. See what's going on with these yen pairs. All right, SGD JPY, right, that support a lot of consolidation, guys. All right, CAD yen right here. So just be careful. They were moving down nicely, the yen pairs, but they're finding some support there. All right, that could be a sign for the overall equity markets, but too soon to tell, because we can certainly keep moving lower here. HKD JPY, so short here, holding. ZAR yen, all right, lots of consolidation in here. Right, getting back, looks like it wants to get back above previous support there. TRY looks good to move lower. Okay, so very choppy shorts with the yen pairs on the daily time frame. As far as equities, and I know on Thursday we went over, guys, by what, like 30 minutes. We won't do that this evening. We'll be right on, get out right on time. Right on time this evening. All right, equities. So Stock Boss, we only have one stock in Stock Boss. Our US 30 traders, I'll show you guys what's setting up. Not on the 5 minute though. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Anthony was there. That was crazy, right? All right. Stock Boss. All right. So COMP, that's still holding its buy signal here. Buy signal was at $77.67. Still holding at 876. So 1 point there. That's the only stock in Stock Boss. Oh, hold on. Bull Master, we've got, what's that, 5, 4, 5. All right, Bull Master, let's go through these. The last time we took a look at these, Anthony. Last time we took a look at these was Thursday. So I doubt if sellers came in on Friday with these trades, because Friday was an update. All right, so gold, all right, and gold is moving higher, guys. So GOLD, buy signal was here, holding firm, purple support and resistance, keep an eye on that. XPEV, buy signal here, holding. So not much in stocks. NFG, buy signal here on a break of this resistance, buy signal here, good price action. GILD, buy signal here, holding. And BABA buy signal here holding. So stocks in Bullmaster held. Bullmaster Pro ING. ING is holding. Okay, so no changes there. All right, but keep it light. All righty. All right. Our US 30 trades. Let's see here. All right. We do have on the 60-minute on the US 30, we did have a buy signal here. That buy signal came in on Friday, guys. All right. This was the struggle here. We were looking for a breakout and then it pulled back. All right. Let's see. Let's take a look at quickly at the 5-minute here. Let's see here. So this was the struggle here, right in here, right? We're looking for that breakout right around here, 8 a.m. to about 10 a.m. right in here, right? Had a couple of failed trades, but then finally broke out, right? I think we got out here on that buy signal, but that red candle right in here. All right, and then left it alone. This happens, and then it finally made its way up. All right, well, it was probably the best trade. Didn't look like the best setup for the day, but turned out to be perhaps the best trade of the day there on Friday when we did our live trading. But on the 60-minute time frame, so we'll keep an eye on it. Okay. We'll call the buy signal. So we haven't called the buy signal yet on the US 30. We'll see what happens, how it trades in the morning, and then we'll call it. Okay, if it can get through that resistance there. Okay. All right. So we do have it's on the 60-minute time frame. So it is shaping up nicely here. Nice pullback, right? It is holding that trend line here. We can move this up a bit here. Okay. White candle, green candle right now. All right. So we need these 60-minute candles to just hold, continue to move up through here. All right. And then we'll probably call it, right? If we can get up into this area here in the morning, we have that. What retail sales Monday morning at what time? At 8:30. Okay, so we'll watch it, see what happens. So our US 30, our monster US 30 traders, keep an eye on that. This could be a good trade, but just be aware of the market. Okay, just be aware of the market. Right, the futures are down. This will go with the futures there. Okay, all right. So this was when the futures market opened this evening there, okay? This down candle right here. So be aware of that, okay? So futures are down right now. All right. So quick look at Stock Boss and Bullmaster just to see Heat Seeker. Just to confirm, we don't have much there. 29 in Stock Boss. So we have a few more stocks in Stock Boss. If we do anything, if we send out any alerts, and we might, it will be for now basic material. So that's going to be gold and silver or metals. Okay, so SID has a buy signal there. That might be gone there. So we are going to call SID white candle here on the daily. All right, nice big candle with a buy signal here on a break of this resistance. So we'll call that, and I think this is, it's definitely metals. I don't know if it's gold or silver, all right? But we'll call it a good markdown phase, all right? So we'll just call that one. That's basic materials. All right, so we've seen some stocks coming in stock bars. Bull Master, let's run it. 26 in Bull Master, that's still low for Bull Master. Let's take a look at basic materials here. All right, so MP, so SID was stock boss. So we'll go light, but again, we're gonna go stick with the sector, right? Right. Remember, gold is making all-time highs there. Okay. So MP weekly looks good. All right. Look at the weekly time frame here. Good buying on the weekly. This one here broke resistance right here. Buy signal here. Right. Reaccumulation. A bit choppy in here. So MP in a Bull Master. Okay. And this is again basic materials. We'll wait on this one. Has red candles there on the weekly. Just trying to get you guys some stocks here. BVN. Still, Anthony, still. Okay. SID still. Okay. Okay. All right. Thanks, buddy. BVN. All right. Buy signal here. 1352. Had a red candle here, but now it's breaking out. And look at the buying here on the weekly. Okay. All right. So BVN. We can buy in correction territory, but we have to be specific. So we have to be in the right sector and then the right trade, okay? All right, BVN. All right, good breakout here, but look at that weekly, guys. Let me open this up. Look at that buying there on that weekly. And again, that's basic materials there. Those are your metals. And that's in Bull Master. All right. So rather than shorten, right? Rather than shorten these markets and take those risky trades, right? You can SSRM, that's moving up nicely there. That's gone. Okay, and that's it. So we've got 3, 1 in Stock Boss, 2 in Bull Master there. And we'll keep an eye on Monster Scalper. Let's see here. We've seen buying coming in. You guys can see okay. We've seen buying coming in here on the 60 and on the 240. Okay. But we haven't sent out any of these alerts yet. And now they might move. So the Aussie pairs, I want to wait to see. All right, so on the 60-minute, they've been choppy also. All right, but if they could break out. The yen pairs, you guys can, you can trade it on your own, right? New Zealand yen on the, look at this, on the 240. Buy signals coming in. So we have some buy signals coming in on the 240. But if sellers come in, these will fail. Okay, so just be careful. They failed here before. We might let a few take off first. Okay, lead the way. So you might miss a few. We'll tend to do that. Miss a few just to confirm the trade or the trend. Okay. So just be aware, buyers are coming in here. Okay. In the Aussie, Kiwi, and Yen pairs on the 60 and on the 240. Okay. And on the 240. So we'll keep an eye on that. Yeah. All right. The euro pairs and the pound. Well, the euro pairs, the pound of we only have 1 pound pair. That's still up here, and that's done. That trade closed. Euro SGD. Okay, so we could see a new movement in the pound pairs. I'm sorry, in the yen, Aussie, and Kiwi pairs, but we'll wait for further confirmation. All right, guys. All right, so I will see everyone. We're right on time, right on time. I'll see everyone on Tuesday, and just I wouldn't push it with forex, right? Again, those euro pairs, some of the euro pairs, pound pairs are closing off. Okay, you might get an opportunity in like I said, to go long. Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie, Kiwi, Yen pairs, but I would just be careful with those. Okay. All right, guys. I will see everyone on Tuesday. Thanks for coming. Have a good night. See everyone on Tuesday. Take care.